How to see markets news on IQ option. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see the markets news on IQ. So this is the home page. Now you have to go to the right here and click on this icon, and as you can see these are the news of the markets. There is a dollar, the Nvidia, and there is a lot of coins, cryptos, stocks news right here. Also you can check the forex. As you can see, this is the market analysis, and there is the earnings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.